Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh for YouTube channel. So as we know that, as you everybody know that, we are discussing about 111 terms that was coming here surrounding us. Here we will discuss about the natures and the natural resources. There are a lot of natural resources available here in each country. Each country have their own natural resources and they have their own importance. And if we are talking about the importance and its variables, all the living and non-living are interconnected, as we know, as we had already studied about it. So we can say that interconnections is really interdependence. Without interdependence of each living and non-living, we cannot survive say years on whole earth, and the life process will not continue to run here. If we are discussing about the natures, natures have both types of the resources, natural and living and non-living. So natural resources, as we know that plant and animals, these are the natural resources, and of the living means the biotic components, and the abiotic natural resources, we know that that is all the mountains, airs, waters. Here is the sunlight, and also mountains, different types of the soils, marshy places, grassland area containing the soils, and the different types of the part of the earth, and the glacier is also available here, and ocean also available here. So sea is also available, rivers is also available. These are also non-living things, and non-living things is set with the abiotic, and abiotic things is set with the abiotic components, and these components are set with the also is a natural resources. On the basis of these natural resources, the living being can survive and takes these take the profit from these resources, take their foods from these resources, take their all the requirement materials and needs and fulfill their needs from these resources. So we can see that we all human beings are completely depend upon the nature and natural resources, not only but also the all animals and the plant also depend upon the non-living things. That is called as that is why is the plant are first producers, we can say, and other scientists already had proved that plant is such a first indicator of the indicator and trapping system of the energy, and these energy are only those energies which is coming from the sunlight, and these sunlight energy trapped by the plants, and have some specific characteristic features in the plants in a green color forms, that is called color forms, that convert the all the raw materials containing four things, that is water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and sunlight, converting these with the help of these four raw materials, convert these substances into the as a very fixed and very energetic forms. And this is actually called energetic components called the glucose or carbohydrates. We can in some complex forms we can say that carbohydrates, it is the first and very important biological process through which we get these fixed these raw materials into the compound forms or complex forms, and as all the living beings are independent upon it, either we are talking about the plant or we are talking about the animals. So both are dependent on it. These are the real source of the energy, and with the help of this real source of energy, all the other components, means that food components is components is available in these plants, and these plants also survives with the help of the these components and also nutrients that is available in the soil. So plant is depend upon the nutrients, and they are first converter of the nutrient into the real things, and their product, and these product are used by the human beings in many ways, either form of the cereal or crops, different form of the crops, crops, you know, the crops varieties, and different types of the requirement or needed materials, whatever is available here in the nature. So one by one, we had already discussed about that one things that's associated with our lives and on our nature. So we have to keep the natures always be clean and tidy and maintain its balance, because natural balance is must, and the first priority should be taken by the human beings, because the damage of the natural resources and its maintenance of the natural resources, its importance and its need and requirements, whatever may be, it's all the knowledge have been and done and controlled by the human being, because human being is such a animals sorry social animals that was living on the earth, who has the most powerful part of their organs, that is called brains. With the help of brains, these changes is happening day in day out. Okay, so I hope that you have understood whatever I'm telling you. Next times, next month, with the next topics, we will take here and discuss on our details. Thank you very much for listening to me and my words. I hope that you have understood whatever I'm telling you. If you don't understood, please excuse me for this one things, and please don't forget to share, subscribe my channel, so that you cannot miss the video, and upcoming video will always be effective. That will affect have a effect greater and improve the our skills. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.